2025 updated fix. Dead by Daylight server issues, PC, PS5, Xbox. 1. Force new server handshake, temporary fix. This resets your connection session with DBD's backend. Steps: 1. Launch DBD and sit at the menu for 1 minute. 2. Now, press go offline if available, or disconnect internet for 10 seconds. 3. Reconnect and hit retry or restart game. 4. Game should now trigger a fresh server handshake, helps bypass stale matchmaking failures or disconnected loops. 2. Disable crossplay temporarily, test server routing. Many users report that crossplay mode can cause unstable server routing. Go to Settings, Online, Crossplay, Off, Restart Game, try joining solo or public match. If it works now, server pairing issue is region-bound to cross-platform links. You can re-enable after a stable run. 3. Use Cloudflare Warp free lightweight VPN. Unlike traditional VPNs, Cloudflare Warp 1.111 app routes your traffic via their edge network without changing IP location. Steps: 1. Download from Plesh 1.1/1.11.1. 2. Install and enable Warp mode. 3. Launch DBD retry matchmaking. Fixes routing bottlenecks, especially useful in Asia, Middle East, and some parts of Europe. 4. Delete server cache files, PC advanced fix. DBD stores settings and temporary connection logs. Corruption here equals failed joins. Steps: 1. Go to C, Users, Your Name, App Data Local, Dead by Daylight, Saved Configs, Windows No Editor. 2. Delete everything in the folder. 3. Also go to App Data Local, Dead by Daylight, Saved, Save Games, delete only .sav files, not folders. 4. Restart PC, launch game. 5. Rebind BHVR account, fix auth lobby issues. If you're getting authentication failure or stuck lobbies, steps: 1. Visit.bhr.com, bhvr.account. 2. Unlink and relink your platform, Steam, Xbox, PS. 3. Restart game. Works especially well if you use cross-progression or play on multiple devices. Bonus fix for console users, PS5, Xbox Series XS. Manually set DNS, 1. Go to PS5 Settings Network Setup Connection Manual. Xbox Settings Network Advanced DNS Settings. 2. Use Primary 111, Secondary 1.0.1. Solves console-specific lag spikes and unable to connect to servers errors. 1. An all-in-one